Stop ordering honey garlic chicken from outside when you don't know what's inside. It takes just 11 dirham and 15 minutes to make it. Better at home, let me prove it to you how. 500 grams of chicken and few pantry staple ingredients gives you 115 grams of protein. Don't be surprised. Let's cook honey garlic chicken. Here's what you need to do. I'm using here 500 grams of boneless chicken breast. Let's slit it so the marination goes inside. Make sure you give slit on both sides. After the slit, let's add onion powder, garlic powder, pepper and little salt. Let's mix it well and then we'll turn around the chicken and then we'll do the same. Make sure you give it good massage so it goes inside the slit we made. Let's do the same for the other side. So the chicken is marinated. Let's keep it aside for 5 minutes and then we're gonna make the sauce. In the sauce, a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of honey. Now some chili flakes. Give it a good mix. Let's add 2 tablespoons of water. And now give it a good mix until sugar dissolves, honey mix with soya and chili flakes. It's all mixed. Let's head to the cooking. Let's heat the pan. Now the pan is hot. Let's put teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna put chicken. Always when you put the chicken or anything, keep it away from you. You put first like this so the oil will not spill out. Remember, we are not cooking chicken here. We are making sure it gets the char on both sides. We are gonna cook the chicken later on with the sauce. Make sure your gas is on high flame throughout this stage. That's it. Let's take the chicken out. Get that char. We need that char. In the same pan, let's add 1 teaspoon butter. Reduce your gas now. We're gonna add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Once you start smelling the garlic, then let's add the sauce mix we made. Look at this. Make sure it's not on high flame. Don't have to cook it. Just see these bubbles coming out. In 10 seconds it will start coming these bubbles. And that's it. That's the time you're gonna put your chicken back. Let's flip it. Look at the colors. Now let's put the lid for 5 minutes to make sure chicken is cooked inside. Look at that glaze. See, that's it. Chicken is fully cooked and coated in the sauce. Let's plate it now. Look at this glaze. This whole batch came out just for 11 dirham. And it comes with 706 calories, 115 grams of protein, 16 grams of carb and 21 grams of fat. Best part. Let's try it. Juicy, delicious chicken. Trust me, it tastes 1,000 times better than what you eat outside. It costs just 11 dirham, 15 minutes to make. You don't need 30 dirham and delivery fee. You just need 1 pan and 15 minutes to make. This is how flavor meets figures.